Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about design and development of an interactive multimedia simulation for augmenting the teaching and learning of programming concept. Teaching and learning programming present many challenges in every educational institution. Therefore, teaching and learning programming requires cognitive reasoning because the underlying concepts are complex and abstract. So that the concept of teaching and learning programming causes a very minimal level of success. The IMS is a design-based research methodology used to generate practical and theoretical contribution. Mayer and Moreno in the years 2003 researching how people learn in a multimedia environment because learning is highly dependent on the human cognitive system, which deal with the information taken and processed into the brain without overloading their cognitive system. Mayer and Moreno's work discusses three principles of cognitive theory in multimedia learning, namely its multiple channel, limited capacity, and active processing. In the image below, a CTML diagram depicts the 5 cognitive processes involved in multimedia learning. The image includes selecting words from multimedia presentation in working memory, selecting images from multimedia presentation in working memory, organizing selected words into verbal representation in working memory, organizing the selected image into an image. The design and development of the EMS prototype is carried out through 3 DBR cycles, each cycle consisting of 5 DBR model steps, namely its problem analysis of complex problem in the real world, designing solution, developing solution, evaluation in practice, and reflection. This image illustrates the DBR model adopted in this study for designing, developing and evaluating the EMS prototype. Following are the steps of the 3 DBR cycle in design and development. DBR cycle 1. Problem analysis is the abstraction and complexity of programming concepts contribute to teaching and learning difficulties. So, it is suggested that the IMS design should include features such as visualization, real-world example, direct interaction, and feedback. Solution design is storyboard scenarios are designed to address the abstraction and complexity associated with teaching and learning of the 3 basic programming concepts. Develop a solution is the storyboard use real-world example to illustrate the 3 basic concepts of programming: data type, control structure, and array data structure. So that the storyboard consists of scans such as the interface, introductory video, practical exercises, and assessment scans. DBR Cycle 2. Problem analysis is storyboard scenarios that are not right and storyboard scans are not arranged sequentially. Solution design is the content in the storyboard scenario is enchained and the storyboard scans are sequenced. The evaluation framework consists of 3 categories, namely its instructional design, general use, and interactive multimedia simulation design. Develop a solution. High-fidelity prototypes are developed in the form of YMS. There are several software and hardware used in the design and development of IMS prototypes. Software such as the Autodesk 3ds Max 15 application is used to model 3D graphics and create animations. The Unity 3D 4.6.2 Pro version game engine is used to design and develop IMS prototype scanners. Integrate multimedia elements, script, and to publish IMS prototypes. The Photoshop CS6 used to design 2D graphics and Adobe After Effects CS6 is used to design an introduction video of each programming concept in the IMS prototype. Hardware such as a desktop or laptop computer is a platform used for designing, developing, and publishing IMS prototypes. Keyboard is used for input interaction with the IMS prototype and environment during the design and development process. Mouse is used for input and interaction with the IMS prototype environment during the design process and development, and audio recording equipment used to record voice narration. DBR Cycle 3. Problem analysis is as noted in the DBR Cycle 2 reflection step. Some design and contextual problems were identified by the expert evaluators. Problem solution is the new revisit evaluation framework consists of the same three categories as defined in DBR Cycle 2, with a new set of additional criteria and a related evaluation statement. So, the three DBR cycles present in the previous section describe the application of the DBR model to design and develop IMS prototypes to add to the teaching learning concept.